Hello everyone, you are watching Diary Times. I am Surbhi Mahajan. Let's start with today's headlines. Second day of strike against the privatization of banks. Nine union demonstrated against the central government under the banner of the United Forum of Bank Unions. The strike has affected the functioning of banks. In many areas, people are facing problems due to emptying of ATMs. Bank employees demonstrated on the second day in the capital Shimla. Will soon release the reason of Anganwadi worker's death. How did the Anganwadi worker die? A report in this regard will come in 2-3 days later. During the question hour in the Himachal Assembly, Health Minister Dr. Rajiv Sehgal said this in the House in response to the question of CPI MLA Rakesh Sinha of Thiog and Congress MLA from Batsar Indra Dutt Lakhpal. He said that no one has died due to vaccination. The direction from the center of the vaccine is very clear. A committee is formed at the district level. They will evaluate it. State level committees consist of experts from departments. All arrangements are getting done in Delhi for students. Accommodation can be arranged for students of Himachal Pradesh in New Delhi. On Congress MLA Sukhvinder Singh Sukhu suggestion, CM replied that his suggestion will be considered. Sukhu in the question hour questioned that where has the state government purchased lands outside the state. CM Jairam Thakur said that land has been purchased in Gujarat. Himachal's building with the Statue of Unity is being built there. 30% discount on booking in Tourism Corporation hotels from April 1 to April 15. In order to bring back the hotel business affected in Himachal Pradesh last year due to corona crisis, the corporation has decided to give discounts on booking in the hotels. In order to wow the tourists coming to Devbhoomi, Himachal Pradesh, the corporation has decided to give discounts to about 60 hotels in the state. Stove burned to ashes in Chamba. Jeevan, son of Sansar Chand Shroff, was burned to ashes due to fire in Tugnal falling under Saluni area of Chamba district of Himachal Pradesh. Damage of 2 lakhs is estimated from this fire in the shop. During the incident, which occurred late on Monday, the shopkeeper closed his shop as usual and went home. Seeing the sparks of fire rising from the shop, the villagers informed the shopkeeper. The villagers immediately started extinguishing the fire at their level. BRO team reached Sarchu on second day after walking 20 km in snow in 17 hours. A 5-member technical team of BRO traveled on snow for 2 days and 17 hours to begin snow removal from Baralacha Pass to Sarchu in Himachal Pradesh. The team reached Sarchu camp after traveling about 20 km of snowy area. Mukesh Agnihotri asks for white paper from government on budget sharing of Jal Jeevan Mission and other schemes. Leader of opposition Mukesh Agnihotri sought a white paper in the Assembly House from the Himachal government on budget allocation for Jal Jeevan missions and other schemes. Mukesh Agnihotri said that the government should issue a white paper to clarify the situation on how much budget came for the Jal Jeevan mission, other projects and other issues. Agnihotri said that the budget has been divided into 2-3 circles only. Electricity Board took strike action. Consumers of the Electricity Board Subdivision, Sundarnagar. Consumers of the Electricity Board Subdivision, Sundarnagar have found it costly to not submit their electricity bills on time. The board has issued notices to 400 customers, out of which 130 customers have not paid the bill and 130 consumers' meter connections have been disconnected. This was confirmed by Assistant Engineer Subdivisional Sundarnagar Engineer Anil Kumar Thakur. Taxi operators are not allowing buses to run in the one of the oldest republic area, Malana. Taxi operators in Malana, one of the world's oldest republics, are not allowing the bus service to begin. This charge has been made by Kullu MLA Sundar Singh Thakur. During the questionnaire, he gave this information in the House. He said that the paying capacity of the people of Malana is good, due to which efforts are being made to deprive them of bus service. The snowfall has been cited as the reason for the closure of many bus routes in Kullu. This winter, there has not been any snowfall, especially in the Malana region. Government to take steps for burying Una person as Muslim. Sanjeev Kumar of Una was converted to Muslim in Saudi Arabia. He is buried as a Muslim. He went abroad 3 years ago. The victim's family contacted the central government and the assembly of the country concerned, but the body has not yet been brought back to India. Due to this, the last rites are not possible. On Tuesday, Una MLA Satpal Raizada took up the matter after the questionnaire. District level control room set up in Fatehpur, keeping in the upcoming elections in the view of the Assembly constituency Fatehpur. Orders have been issued to establish district level control room and call center in the office of District Revenue Officer Dharamshala to report corrupt conduct related to the election. That's all in today's news. For more updates, stay tuned with Diary Times.